Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since the last time I did it, but really this one hasn't changed too much, so this video should be pretty short. Want to draw out the pattern that it's got going on right now, but besides that, if anything, it's really just kind of solidified the pattern, and we're more in a wait and see kind of moment right now. So all these lines you see were from previous times that I did the video, so I'm not going to go over where they all came from. If you want to know that, just simply go back in the video archives and you can watch some of the previous videos. But the one thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this video. Technically it's a support, but another level of support that I think is a little bit more important, same with this one, is the portion of the pattern that we have right now. These two levels down here are still important. I'll get to those in a minute, but what I want to do is draw out the pattern that we have. So this is known as the flagpole of the pattern. And then kind of bending the rules here a little bit. And then we'll draw that up like that. Just so we'll just drop that right there so you can see a little bit better. So put on your imagination cap, and I want you to picture a little golf hole down here. So for you golfers out there, hopefully this is pretty easy to see, but right here is the flag that you would have in the golf, in the little hole out there on the course. So what we have here is a bull pennant pattern. Again, here is the flagpole of it. And then we have this consistent level of resistance here, and then there are higher lows occurring. So this is a pretty important level of support, because if the price does drop below here, then that would be a break to the downside. That doesn't mean that the whole chart's destroyed or anything like that, but the short-term pattern would be violated, and you don't want to see that. So again, I'll repeat myself. If the price were to break through the downwards part of this pattern, that does not ruin the chart as a whole. All it does is violate this short-term pattern, so it would no longer exist, and you'd kind of have to go back to more of an overall chart view. So keep a close eye on this. While it's not a make it or break it level, it's certainly an ideal level where best case scenario for the chart would be to see it break upwards through this pennant pattern, and the pennant pattern resistance up there is at 246. And then this is a dynamic support level, so this changes with each and every passing day. Now, as far as these levels, these are more of the crucial levels, make or break. You can see here that this trend line is all about the higher lows, so as long as the chart does keep putting in higher lows and everything's fine, and it's corresponding and correlating pretty running parallel with the 50-day simple moving average, so that's also a very important level of support. And then you have this level right here at $1.78, $1.80, whatever you want to call it, which is another level of support. But going back up here, if the bull pennant does break out here to the 246, next level of resistance will be up at 269, 270, and then after that, you can see basically enters into a blue sky breakout territory. So solid week. Pretty much a neutral week given just the sideways action, but next week you can see here the pattern's running out of room, so the price is going to need to make up its mind. So grab some popcorn and let's see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, or maybe you're looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click up on the picture above. Check out our instant download courses for both beginners and advanced traders. You can literally get started on them right away, as like I said, they are instant download. They've been getting good third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to check them out and give them a try. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend.